Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect to CircleCI self-hosted runner on VPS detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect to a CircleCI self-hosted runner on your VPS, start by logging into your virtual private server. Ensure your server meets the necessary system requirements for running CircleCI. Next, install Docker if it is not already installed on your VPS. Use the package manager for your operating system to execute the installation command for Docker. Once Docker is installed, verify the installation by checking the Docker version. Now, create a directory for your CircleCI runner. Navigate to the newly created directory in your terminal. Fetch the CircleCI runner binary using the curl command. Make the downloaded binary executable using the chmod command. Run the CircleCI runner setup command to initialize the configuration. You will be prompted to enter your CircleCI API token. Retrieve your API token from the CircleCI dashboard under Project Settings. Paste the API token into your terminal and press Enter. The runner will then display a prompt to give it a name. Choose a meaningful name to help identify your runner later. After naming your runner, configure the executor type you wish to use. You can select options like Docker, Machine, or Custom. Once you have selected the executor, finalize the setup. The CircleCI runner will now begin registration with your CircleCI account. Monitor the connection status in the terminal. When the runner successfully connects, you will see a confirmation message. Open your CircleCI dashboard to verify the registered runner. Make sure the runner appears under the Self-Hosted Runners section. You can now use this runner for your CI/CD pipelines. To test the connection, trigger a build that targets your self-hosted runner. Observe the build logs to confirm the runner is processing jobs correctly. If you encounter any issues, consult the CircleCI documentation for troubleshooting tips. Your CircleCI self-hosted runner is now connected and ready for use on your VPS. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.